Please look at square number 1. See the sandwich? How many pieces is it divided into? It's divided into two equal pieces. And each one of those pieces is a fraction. It's 1/2. Now, please look at square number 2. How many pieces is a pie divided into? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. The pie is divided into 3 different pieces of equal size. Now look at square number 3. I want to teach you part of the fraction. The total number of pieces that the pie is divided into is 3. So 3 is part of the fraction that's written below the line. It's called the denominator. Please say the word denominator. Once more, denominator. The denominator is the part of the fraction that tells you how many pieces were all together. Like 1, 2, 3. So 3 is written below the line because it tells you the total amount, the total number of pieces that whatever it was divided into. And it's written below the line. And that is the denominator part of the fraction. Now look at square number 4. 1 piece is left. And so that 1 piece is the top part of the fraction. It's called the numerator. And it tells you what part of the fraction we're talking about. And that is 1/3 of the pie. But the top part of the fraction is called the numerator. Please say numerator. Once more, numerator. And that is the part of the fraction that we're talking about. So that piece is 1/3 of the total pie. Now please go to the next page and I'll show you the kind of exercises you're going to have. Look at square number 1. The pie is divided into how many pieces? 1, 2. So 2 is the denominator and is written below the line because that tells you how many pieces the pie is divided into. So write just like I'm doing, 2 below the line. Now how many pieces of pie are left? 1. So 1 is a numerator and is written above the line, just like I'm doing. So 1/2 of the pie is left. 1/2. 1/2, and that's a fraction. Now please look at square number 2. You see the large square, and it's divided into 4 equal smaller squares. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the denominator. And you write 4 below the line, just like I'm doing. Now how many squares are green? 2. So 2 is written above the line. That's a numerator. Now what's the fraction? 2/4. Now look at square number 3. How many pieces all together? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. So write 3 below the line. That's the denominator. Tells you how many pieces were all together that the pie was divided into. How many pieces are left? 1. So write 1 above the line. So 1/3 of the pie is left. Look at square number 4. You see a large square, and then it's divided into 4 equal smaller squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the denominator. It tells you how many squares that the larger square was divided into. And that's 4. Now how many squares are red? 1. So 1 is written above the line. That's the numerator. The fraction is 1/4. 1/4 of the squares are red. Now I want you to do the remaining problems These are something that is designed to help you to learn fractions. An important skill, a skill you need to know, and a skill you'll use your entire life. I want you to be proud of the way that God has made you. And as smart as you are capable of learning anything.